Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the spinning top 3D animation simulations by using Blender 4.2. And you can see this spinning top 3D animation, it will simulate the real world spinning top, which it will have another rotations at the bottom like this, and at the same time it is spinning, then it have another rotations, something like this. Alright, so start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. New project, everything will start from beginning. And click the empty area, press A and delete everything. Then at this moment, I just need to add a cylinder. Then next, just put this cylinder to Z1. Then right click, set the origin to 3D cursor. Next, go to the edit mode and then select here. Just press S to just make it small. Select this. Right click, merge vertices at center. Then click here. Just press S. Then press E to extrude. Press S to just make it bigger. Press E, E, S, E, S, E, S, E. Alright, this is just a very simple 3D modeling process. And in this tutorial, I'm going to focus on the 3D animations. Just back to the object mode here. Alright, now you can see the pivot point is set here. Right, and you may want it to rotate. You can just back to the edit mode again and just extrude some surface at here, so that you can see it clearly. And just use Alt E, extrude individual faces. Like that, it would be easier for you to just have a look which ones is it. Alt E, extrude individual face, so that later you can see the rotations. I'm going to back to the object mode at here. Now, to just make it rotate in this way, what you need to do is just click at here, hold the shift and just press number 3 hash frame /20, and now you can see it can rotate. If you just put it as per 5, it will be faster. A spinning top. Alright, so what about if you want it to have a certain angle? You need to just add an empty plain as is, an empty at here. Then you need to just attach the spinning top as attach it on empty, make the empty to become the parent. So you click the spinning top, hold the shift, click the empty, and Control P, just set the parent to object, something like this. Alright, now this one, you may want to just make a certain angle for the empty, and then for the empty Z, you can just make a certain frame, hash frame /5. So now you try to rotate it. Now you can see this spinning top is rotating. At the same time, it simulates the real world spinning top, which sometimes it will have a certain rotations in another axis because of the empty. Alright, and finally you can just add some material texture for this. It can be any. any color with the roughness, metallic. Just turn on the material texture. Now this is a spinning top simulations. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a spinning top 3D animations for your Blender 4.2. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!